Is your PIN your financial fingerprint? Let's make sure it's saying the right thing about you by verifying your PIN details on the income tax portal. First, open your web browser and go to the official income tax filing website. The address is incometaxavin. Make sure you're on the legitimate government website to protect your information. Now, on the home page, look for the quick links section and find ePay tax or link Aadhaar button. These options often lead to the PIN verification process. On the next page you may find a specific link to verify your PIN details. Enter your PIN number, your full name as it appears on your PIN card, your date of birth, and your mobile number. Double-check everything for accuracy before proceeding. Once you've filled in the details, you'll receive an OTP one-time password on the mobile number you provided. Enter the OTP in the designated field. After OTP verification, your PIN details will be displayed. Carefully review each detail: your PIN number, name, father's name, date of birth, gender, and photo. Is everything accurate? If all the information is correct, congratulations! Your PIN details are verified. You're good to go for smoother tax processing. If you find any discrepancies, don't panic. Contact the Income Tax Department immediately to get it rectified. You can find the contact information on their website, and you may be required to submit supporting documents. Verifying your PIN details regularly is a simple yet crucial step for hassle-free tax filing. Make sure your financial fingerprint is always clear and accurate. That's it for today. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye for now.